Hi, I'm Palak Patel, and this is Cook With Us with Well+Good. Today we're making a blueberry spritzer with masala popcorn, a great snack for this drink. So to make our cocktail, we're going to muddle some fresh blueberries. Muddler. And to this, I'm going to add some fresh lemon juice. To the drink, I'm going to add Zero Sugar Infusions, lemon and elderflower vodka. And for the spritzer part, some seltzer water. For garnish, just some fresh blueberries and a strip of lemon peel. You have it. Zero Sugar Infusions Blueberry Spritzer. Nice and lemony. Little hints of blueberry. To pair with this drink, I'm going to make an easy snack. It's a masala popcorn recipe that you make in the microwave. What we need is a little bit of popcorn. I have some canola oil. So I want to coat a little bit of oil on the popcorn. Lunch bag. You place the popcorn directly in the bag. Close it. I'm going to place a paper towel underneath this bag and microwave this for about 3 to 3.5 minutes and then check. Once my popcorn is all popped, I'm going to add a masala dressing on top of it. So let's go pop this. My popcorn has finished popping. Now I'm going to make the masala part for the popcorn, starting with smoked paprika. I have some cumin powder, a little bit of coriander powder, and garam masala. This is an Indian spice. It's a blend of a lot of different spices. If you can't get it, you can absolutely omit that from the recipe. And I have some melted butter here and a little bit of lemon juice. Mix all of that together, make a nice dressing for the popcorn. The only thing left to do is put this all together, take a big bowl, empty out your popcorn, and to the spice mixture, I'm going to add a little salt and just spoon it over the popcorn. Beautiful lemony spritzer with just hints of blueberry. Goes very well with this masala popcorn. Definitely beats movie theater popcorn. For the full recipe, click in the description below and be sure to subscribe to Well+Good. See you next time.